A child is a South African. She is in school this morning, but she didn't go to school with even a breakfast. I'm crying as a father. They must understand our parents, not politics. We do nothing wrong in the system. We are living here and we are abiding by the law of this country. If there's anything we do wrong, they should tell us, not to chase us with politics and make us look like slaves. We know that we are from other parts of Africa and some of them are also from here, working together. Let us work together and continue working together, not to divide us like the way they are doing, because we did nothing wrong. That is what I'm saying, that the court should at least listen to the families that have kids. Listen to the families that are here, because we are crying because we don't have a job. The job we have is where we are trading. Why must they evict us in such a manner that is unlawful? That is exactly what I'm saying. Thank you.
High Court this morning, and like we said, we are here to make sure that court has lalela. Asiyapinda futhi asifithima zangamuntu basifuna ukila idolobha laseGoli. We only want people who are legally so on the streets, and Isiri is misled into believing we have 1,000 people. Because the entire court to be fair to us as the city of Johannesburg and take a fair decision. We are here and we're going to make sure we are going to be here. Okay, it is a problem is just with the EFF that is here supporting the wrong things. I'm highly disappointed. And I never would have thought the EFF will come here and support illegalities in the city of Johannesburg. Thank you.
Verify legitimate traders. Yes, the show Rasiba Kimbang Olinte. Yes. Rara in 14 days. Yes. Rara Hutukhala Mo. Rebata Rebau Barumba verify we hantle ba qualifier. Car qualification criteria. Iru tshwanetse o be mo South Africa ka verify. Me Siri lidi lawyer tabona by Khana Tabaye. Vale khwaqetella hore se si forced manje ukuthi sibuyele enkantolo ngoba asizwani ngama negotiation between the two parties. Wathi ke uMantshi noma ijaji sibuye ngomsombuluko ngo-10 o'clock sizoxoxa le ndaba le. Manje ke naku kuzoyenzakala sithi yini ningadinwa siyavuka futhi Monday siyeza la ngoba into esiletha la ukuthi sisonke la siyalithanda idolobha lethu. Sifuna idolobha lethu li-clean. Futhi ke sifuna ukusupporta nama-small business. Siwasupporte kahle. Sibayenzela ama-program ukuthi bathuthuke nawo. Kodwa ngeke sivume ukuthi sidelelwe endaweni yethu. Abantu nabo basihloniphe njengohulumeni, babuya basihloniphe njengabahlali base South Africa. So silapho ke ngendaba. So Monday siyabuya. Sizawuqeda kahle udaba on Monday. La enkantolo. Savumelana futhi ukuthi ngoba siyohlangana Monday akunamuntu ozawubuyela edolobheni until siqeda naye uMantshi. But ngantshela for free ukuthi thina singama South African city siyaliklini idolobha lethu, ayikho inkantolo ezosibuyisela emuva. Siyawahlonipha amajaji ase-South Africa wonke, kodwa kule yokuthi siyeke idorobho lethu limosheke angeke sivume asambeni ke sene emakhaya Sunday sivuke siyasontweni sothanda ukuthi umuntu makafika esitulweni avumelane naye hambani lahle fambani kurula.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Yasmin, I don't understand lento yama foreign. How can a child be a South African when a father is a Nigerian? This entitlement of fighting even the government. But as I always say, I don't blame them. They allowed this for so long, our government. Even though they are doing all this for EG20, but at least they can see the day they decide they are serious of taking these people back to their countries, it will be very difficult for them because they allowed this mess for a long time. You see the entitlement now. And I'm very sad and sorry for MMC Uzungu because uthi disappointed nge-EFF akayazi kahle i-EFF ukuthi it stands for illegal foreigners. It stands for foreigners, not for South Africans. Maybe MMC was not aware, as he is saying. I'm very disappointed to see EFF supporting illegality. That's how EFF behaves. This is what it stands for, foreigners. Look at what they are forcing on us, down our throats. Look at. So let's just hope, pray, cross our fingers, and hope ukuthi as umeya uTata Morero esho kanje, everything is going to be fine. Because I don't really understand ukuthi iseri, what kind of organizations are this? They are taking Johannesburg, city of Johannesburg to court just because they are cleaning the city. If these authorities, these officials in Joburg said we want to verify all people in South Africa, all foreigners, if they are legal in South Africa, those who are not legally, they must be deported back to their countries. Those who are willing to fix their papers, they must do it now. The ISERI, it's no. They mustn't be verified if they are legally or illegally in the country. What kind of... Hey, guys, mina angazi really, this organization, this SERI, Human Rights Commission, are these people for real? Are they South Africans? What is their mission in this country? Look at what they are causing for South Africa. Yo guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to state your own views on the comment section, like, share the video and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Love you. Bye.